I unboxed this casserole dish from Aldi. There are 2 in 1 box. There are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Open it. This. In this box, it comes with 2 casserole pots with lids, and it also comes with the user menu. Read the menu before use it. Wash the pot before use it. Use only silicone or wood utensil. Do not put on the stove top, grill or boil. The pot must be room temperature before putting into oven or microwave, so it will not crack. Use microwave to cook Korean style beef with onion. Here are the ingredients: sliced beef chuck roll, Korean red pepper paste, onion, Korean barbecue sauce, white wine. This is sliced beef chuck roll. It's good for Korean barbecue and hot pot. I got it from Gary Market, located in Rowland Heights. This sliced beef chuck roll is very thin. We can use microwave to cook it. Marinate the beef first. Use the marinade sauce with Korean barbecue sauce, Korean red pepper paste, white wine. Let's put this in here. Mix well. Put onion at the bottom first. On top of the onion. After putting microwave for 2 minutes, use the beef juice to stir beef and onion. Let's try this. We have beef onion paired with rice. It's a great savory taste. It's a great meal. I'll make soup dumpling in microwave. Here are the ingredients: microwavable containers, queen of mushroom soup, pre-cooked dumplings. Try this food. This is Grey Wall pork and leg dumpling. It is pristine. You can buy this at Asian supermarket. The zipper, so it's resealable. There are total 29 dumplings in 1 bag. First, we'll heat it up, queen of mushroom soup in the microwavable container, and then we add water in. After the soup heated up in microwave, we're gonna put dumpling into the container and gonna heat it up in microwave again. Let's try this microwave soup dumpling with some black pepper for seasoning. Let's try this microwave soup dumpling. It's well seasoned, very good savory taste. It's a good quick fix snack. Microwave to make chocolate cake. Here are the ingredients: cocoa powder, milk, cake mix, egg, chocolate, hazelnut spread, microwavable container. In this container with cake mix, hazelnut spread, egg, cocoa powder, oil. Some milk in there. Mix well. Some diced chocolate in there. Put some walnut. Let's try this microwave chocolate cake. It's very moist, creamy and soft. Very rich chocolate flavor. Excellent cake. I use microwave to make green tea banana cake. Here are the ingredients: egg, walnut, banana, green tea, cake mix. In this cup we have mashed banana, cake mix, egg, green tea. Add some walnut into the cup and mix well. Let's try this microwave green tea banana cake. It's very rich green tea and banana flavor. Excellent cake.
Here are my comments after using Crofton Farmhouse 2 Mini Casserole Dish. Pros: Mini Casserole Dish is a 0.75 liters container. 0.75 liters is about 25.4 fluid ounces or 3 cups and 2.5 tablespoons. The container size makes it perfect for personal meal or small portion meal. The mini casserole dish is lightweight, portable, and easy to clean. The food leftover can be stored and saved in the refrigerator without changing container. Plus, it saves time and energy by cooking in microwave. Cons: the lid design needs improving, since lid is not stable with container when cooking in microwave. If there is a hole on the lid, it will make cooking better in microwave. Dear friends, I love unboxing and reviewing products from the LA area. Check out my channel playlist, Alan's Workshop, to see them all. Thanks for watching my video. I'd love your encouragement and suggestions to help improve my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, write your comments, share my videos, and follow my IG and Facebook accounts. Please shop the items via my links to support the channel. I appreciate your support.